Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have another project to show you. It's a gardening one. We have to do the lawn to maintain the garden of one of our clients. So let me show you around first what needs to be done for this project. Also remember to subscribe, give us a like and hit the notification button so you won't miss any of our videos. So with no further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is the first part of the garden where we need to cut the grass, and also you can see there is a lot of weed on one side of the garden, so we need to mow also that area. We don't specifically need to remove them from root, but we need to cut just the grass as the client requested. And here this is another angle of the garden that we need to cut the grass, just to show you. So this is another part of the garden that we need to cut the grass alongside the fence and also the house. On this side of the garden there is not much to do, but we need to remove the weeds on alongside the house and also the fence. We can see there are just some few weeds there that we need to remove. So guys, at this stage the gardening maintenance have been done. Now I want to show you how it looked like after the grass was cut. So this is one side of the garden and this is how you look. It's well cut. On this side of the garden not a lot needed to be done, so we just removed the weeds. Yeah, and this is what was also done on this side of the garden. The grass is also well cut and it looks neat. Guys, I just want to show you we receive a specific instruction from the client not to cut or to touch this flower. So that's why when we did the lawnmower on this area, we just did around it. So always follow the client instructions not to cut this one, and also on the other side not to cut or touch any of these. You can see if I just zoom a bit there. So not to touch also this. So that's why we didn't touch any of those, because they like those flowers. So always follow the client instructions So thanks guys for watching the video. The project is now completed. So I hope you enjoy watching it. So remember to subscribe, give us a like, and hit the notification button so you won't miss any of gardening and property maintenance services videos. So thanks again for watching, and see you for the next one. Thanks, bye.